Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the Instagram error. You have been logged out of Instagram user. This account owner may have changed the password. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please do like, share and subscribe. First of all, we are going to launch settings. Here we have to find and tap on general and tap software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version. Then tap on iPhone storage. Here we are going to find and tap on Instagram and tap on offload app and tap again offload to confirm. Now force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone according to your iPhone model. After force restart, we have to go back to App Store and re-download the application. After that, hopefully you will get rid of this issue. If not, then tap and hold the application, tap on remove app and tap again delete app. After deleting the app, re-download the Instagram application and you will get rid of this issue, because this is the Instagram error or bug, not a scam or anyone hack your account. This is from the Instagram, and these are the simple fixes for your device you're using Android or iPhone, and after that you will get rid of this issue. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.